sir to speak a few words.
Respected HOD sir, Professor K. Sridhar sir, and senior professors and faculty and students, and different colleges like IIT Bal and ND.BHATT colleges, and deliver events we have conducted in the previous year. There is a lot of responses we are getting from this from previous year, but this pandemic situation we are unable to contact the students, but we are going for the virtual only. In this year, we are going to conduct the one workshop as the aero modeling of drones. They will explain about the what is the basic components of drones. You know that you are aware that what is applications of drones. Most of the marriages you are going for these marriages, you can see the applications of marriages. They are taking the videos with the help of the drones, and go through that, and also with different applications like you can take down where the man cannot be handled. That works also will be done by the drones with the help of the drones only. See that you are having different applications. They will explain you how what is the main principle of the drones and applications oriented. What are the components, basic components is it? Okay. And in addition to that, we are conducting on tomorrow's the following technical events are there. That paper presentation, poster presentation, ideathon, tech mela, and just a minute tech quiz. These are the we have got a we have got a huge response from these events during this pandemic situation also. And I thank this opportunity giving for thank to HOD sir and my faculty for giving this opportunity. And I especially thanks to the my especially they are a lot of work from since the 20 days. How we are conducting these events, it is possible to conduct the in online. We are daily meeting with the students and Samshodhini team also. Okay. Thank you. You will get a dear participants attend the regular timings, whatever giving the timings, and okay, attend only attending regular only. They are taking the monitoring of your attendance to you. After attending, we will send you our certificates, and certificates from my side as well as Janith Education Company. In behalf of Janith Education Company also, you are getting that certificates. And once again, I'm thank to our HOD sir and the faculty, as well as the team, which is my front students, which is nothing but mechanical engineering students. Okay. Association students is there. We are conducting all the events under these association activities only. Remember the students, we are selecting based upon you are attending these type of events only. Okay. Like we are having a different mesa bodies there. We are having a president and a general secretary, executive members, treasurer. These are the following posts are there in the mesa. Okay. By attending these workshops only, your credentials, not only we are not going for the credentials of your academic, we are going for evaluate your credentials of these type of events you are attending. Not only here, you can attend it anywhere. Okay. Thank you for HOD sir and Kausalya. Thank you. Thank you. You can continue.
Thank you, sir. You have given a lot of information about the events and workshops which have been conducted in Samshodhini through the previous years, so that all the students will come to know about it. I thank you very much for that. I now request our most supportive faculty coordinator, Shri G. Vinod Kumar sir, to speak a few words and enlighten our students.
So, good morning, students. First of all, good morning to our MESA students and other participants. So, first, I would like to congratulate all the participants for registering to the workshop and all the students who are also registered for the tomorrow's events, right? So, on the occasion of the Samshodhini, right? So, the main objective is to first, give certain amount of energy. So, here energy indicate that our energy is the studies, right? So other than the academic activity, we would like to give some extra information that could be helpful you in sustaining your life in coming further days. So now the topic which is chosen for the workshop, aeromodeling of drones. So this is the latest technology which is going on, and we have a lot of opportunity in this field. So now students and the co-faculty and with provide a good information and latest information to the students as well as some excess knowledge, right? So on this few statements, I would like to thank our college management and supervisor for giving us an opportunity to conduct such a good workshop, right? So and one more thing, the HOD sir is not going to attend this session because of some other work. So he expressed his message that he is congratulating all the participants for today's event as well as for the tomorrow's event, and specially congratulated the MESA active body for since right. Thank you all, and special thanks to our NIS organization for achieving resources to. So thank you, sir. Kausalya, give you opportunity.
Thank you so much, sir. And thank you for bringing our HOD sir's message since he is not present right now. I now introduce Mr. Saint KS, founder and CEO of M&D Aerolabs Private Limited, who is our trainee for today's session. I request you to put on your video, sir. I request you to speak a few words about your experiences and take over the session.
So I hope I'm visible and audible. So thanks for that introduction, Kausalya. Uh, so let me give a small introduction to myself. I'm Sayan. I'm currently working as the Chief Executive Officer and founder of M&T Aerolabs Private Limited. We are an autonomous vehicle developer as well as a training company. We are offering our training facilities to both students as well as corporates. So I've been working in this sector for the past 5 years. I have developed countless tools for both government and non-governmental applications. I have participated in multiple hackathons, including the Paytm Hack for Tomorrow competition, where we came first for developing a drone that could sanitize flood infected locations. And we also have been helping Kerala government in flood rescue as well as survey and monitoring. We are currently in the development of multiple aerial systems that would be used in industrial applications as well as development applications. I had a chance to work for ISRO in a missioning project for the Chandrayaan 2. I've been also working in multiple projects related to machining technology. My background is actually in tool and die engineering and in manufacturing. So let me give you a brief introduction to to today's session, what we'll be having. So first we'll have a theory part. We'll cover all the basic understanding of autonomous systems, what all types of autonomous systems out there, and we will look into the theory part of the sessions. After that, we'll have an assembly. We'll introduce you to components, and we'll have a flight demonstration session as well. So, to give an introduction into the session, so I hope you are all safe at your homes. So, imagine in the times of a lockdown or a pandemic, you happen to need a medicine, and it's quite hard to get these things while in a lockdown or you're in a faraway place. That happened in the flood situations in Kerala, you will be familiar with. So in those kinds of applications, the best way is to use an autonomous vehicle. And there are multiple types of autonomous vehicles that we'll learn in the session. But imagine you have to go a further distance faster without having to. So imagine you want to build a drone that goes to a shop, get you the medicine or food that you are necessary to get, and come back and land and give you the particulars. So we are seeing a lot of a delivery platform called Zomato had the chance to get their hands on a delivery drone system, and Director General of Civil Aviation approved their system to take off in 2021. So we'll be seeing a lot of application-oriented drone development in the upcoming years. We'll be also seeing a huge growth in personal drones and commercial and civilian drone industry will be growing to a billion dollar industry by 2025. So let's start the session on. So let me present my screen right now. So So the topic that we'll be mainly looking into is something called aerial robotics. You will be familiar with robotic systems. We have these giant robots that welds car parts in automobile industry. We have robots that could clean your room. So what are aerial robotics and aerial robotics sector? Aerial robotics basically deals with systems that can fly, maybe on its own or command from a radio controller and do particular tasks. Now we are seeing a trend towards machine learning and artificial intelligence based aerial robotics. Those systems are much more efficient at doing tasks, so we'll be looking into that as well. Um, so let me give you an introduction into unmanned systems. What are unmanned systems? So a lot of types of vehicles. We have the vehicles that go on road. Those are called terrestrial vehicles. We have vehicles that go on sea and water, which are called maritime vehicles. We have systems that flies. Those are called aerial vehicles. And we have systems that go underwater. Those are called underwater systems. So in unmanned systems, they are basically powered vehicles. So you would have a powering system. It might be an engine or any other way. It might be a hydrogen fuel cell. Any system that is powered and do not carry a human operator. So have a power system, it will be able to move, but it will have a human operator inside the